The Karnataka government has made a major announcement for the education sector in the latest state budget. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah said the state will implement the Rohit Vemula Act to protect students from discrimination in educational institutions. While presenting the budget in the Legislative Assembly, the Chief Minister said the new law aims to prevent academic and social harassment of students based on caste in all government, private and deemed universities across the state. The law is called after Rohit Vemula, a PhD scholar at University of Hyderabad who died by suicide in January 2016. His death has sparked nationwide debates about caste discrimination in university. The government says the Rohit Vemula Prevention of Exclusion or Injustice Bill 2025 will help create a safer and more inclusive environment for students, especially those for marginalized communities. Along with this, the Chief Minister also announced that student union elections will be conducted in colleges and universities. According to him, this step will encourage leadership, responsibility and democratic values among students. The budget also focuses on strengthening higher education infrastructure. A private Vachana University will be set up in Basava Kalyan with 25 acres of land provided by the government. In addition, the state will launch the Karnataka Higher Education Transformation Project, a major initiative worth 2,500 crore rupees with support from the Asian Development Bank. Under this project, 40 government first-grade colleges and 11 polytechnics will be developed as model institutions. To promote innovation, 9 centers of excellence will also be created to encourage entrepreneurship and startup culture among students. The government has also approved the recruitment of 2,000 teaching posts in government first-grade colleges, engineering colleges, polytechnics and the University Vishweshwaraya College of Engineering. Another 1,000 teaching posts in public universities will be filled in phases. Special attention is also being given to women students. Basic infrastructure will be provided in 25 government degree colleges. 3 polytechnics and 3 engineering colleges were more than 50% of students are women. Around 31 crore rupees has been allocated with 1 crore rupees for each institution. The government also plans to renovate and improve furniture in 50 government first grade colleges with more than 1,000 students. This project will cost around 100 crore rupees over the next 3 years. Several new colleges will also be opened in places like Chandachan in Vijayapur district, Belgavi rural, Narasimha Raja in Mysuru and Masika in Raichur district. Meanwhile, under the Kalyana Karnataka Development Program, residential first-grade colleges will be set up in the Kalburgai, Yadgir, Raichur and Kopla district, each costing around 18 crore rupees. To meet future industry needs, 15 new courses will also be introduced in government polytechnics and the government engineering college in Chitradurga. These include modern fields like artificial intelligence, machine learning, cloud computing, mining engineering and automation engineering. With these announcements, the Karnataka government say it aims to make higher education more inclusive, modern and industry ready for students across the state.